So what if I told you a black hole could be closer than Earth's orbit right now and we wouldn't even see it? No explosion, no warning, just gravity quietly taking over. So black holes are some of the most extreme objects in the universe. They form when massive stars collapse, creating gravity so strong that not even light can escape. But today I want to talk about black holes far away. I want to ask what would actually happen if one appeared near Earth. So first, people are commonly mistaking black holes for being a cosmic vacuum cleaner, but it doesn't suck everything in randomly. So if the sun were replaced by a black hole of the same mass, Earth would actually keep orbiting normally. The danger comes when you get too close. That's where something called tidal forces stretch objects like gravity playing harder on your feet than your head. And many scientists call this spaghettification. And yes, it does sound like spaghetti, which is basically what it is. Um, so what happens near Earth? Now imagine a black hole passing near Earth. First orbits would start to distort, the moon might drift, satellites would fail, and as it gets closer, Earth itself would feel uneven gravity. Oceans would rise violently, the crust could crack. Eventually, if it did come close enough, Earth would be torn apart. Not in an explosion, but slowly stretched into a stream of debris spiraling into darkness. And here's the craziest part, from far away, it would look almost quiet, like if nothing ever happened. But the good news is this scenario is extremely unlikely. Space is enormous, as we all know it, and black holes don't just wander randomly into solar systems very often. But astronomers have found rogue black holes, ones drifting through space without a star. So while it is rare, it's not impossible, but it won't happen in our lifetime, I would hope. So, why this matters? In conclusion, black holes remind us of something important. The universe is not just beautiful, but it's also powerful, unpredictable, and still full of mystery. And by studying these black holes, we're not just learning about the destruction it causes, but we're learning about gravity, space time, and the fundamental rules of reality itself. Maybe one day, understanding them could help us survive in a universe that doesn't always play fair. Luckily, it hasn't came, but in the future, if it does, we will leave the knowledge necessary for future civilizations. Thank you.